Kaso kaja ka the yagi kam Pynroi ban kentiu yagi jelabat mentak sengi ke pratrik naiwing ajalapsan umtrang ba kajelap Conrad ke Sangma ula Plie ke office kemikha Public Service Commission had dako pre tura West Garo Hills la sakhi lang uspika kemikha Legislative Assembly Thomas Sangma noloki weipan umtrang ba ong ba kani ke office Mpsc kan Plie yagi paj ba ka Rilum karo ki bahap ban ya chipau kasan genta ban poi se silong ban ya yagi examine rai menta kim don kam shu ong babun ki ban thai ban jrem tang habasyong kali na tura sa silong ban le cha kamra examine babu jing yaki ban yo ban le bha yaki examine na ka jing thai ka jing jrem kamet hanrai menta kya lai bat kila ban ya exam tang hatura ula pentip ru baka examine ke banengkong jong ke Mpsc hatura kanong khasau trik naiwing ajal pesan bat kedai kelenong ke batmai ha ka history jong ke Mpsc ha ka jela wang ru on Plie ru yakum kani ha janti his ha gwe jeka ha ka jela ban pensuk ya kisamla ha ka juga pola kani kesngim terang ba oleh Jurip ru ya ka jing pentre ya ka PE Sangma sports complex hatura kani ki ka jing le jingo kalong ya ke indoor swimming pool noro ke indoor badminton basketball volleyball court nama baya kemadan football de bansina kani kemadan kan pedeng ru ya ke national game hauja apnyau ha kani kesengi umtrang ba au Plie ru monong rim nam taban te ya ke additional secretary hatura ha ka ba kan pensuk susu ya ke jing trikam jong ipai ba na Rilum karo kram da don kam shu banwan sha shalong
this project and managed to get the land so that we were able to today open this office here. I was expecting to see him here today, but I guess there was some communication gap. But I'm sure that we'll be able to send our greetings and our appreciation to him through his family members who are present here. Friends, today is a very, very significant day for the state as a whole, and especially to the people of Garo Hills, and more importantly to the young people of this region of our state. With the opening of this office will change, I should say, the course and the future of many, many youngsters in our state, especially in the region of Garo Hills. It would be unfair for me to try and explain the difficulties that they have faced, because I did not go through that phase. But we can well imagine that the youth, when they had to give exams for Mpsc, sometimes they would travel 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours all night. They would reach Shillong without any rest. In the morning time, they would go straight to the examination hall, give the exams. He works in a much more efficient manner in the days to come. So friends, I once again would like to take this opportunity to thank and to congratulate each and everyone who has played a major role in making this particular project a reality, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in helping our children and the youth in the days to come. Kasara Pingrang to give the exams. The major interviews, our students and our youngsters will not have to travel far. Right here, exams as well as the interviews will be held right here in Tura. There could be some interviews where there are only 2 posts or 3 posts, where logically it becomes difficult for Mpsc to host multiple venues for limited number of posts. those cases being an exception, majority of the exams and majority of the interviews will be held, as I said, right here in this campus and this office in Tura for the Garo Hills region. Our next step is to now further expand this process to make this facility available to our youth from Jaintia Hills. And I hope our chairman, being from Jaintia Hills himself, will take this initiative to ensure that Jaintia Hills also must get this infrastructure so that children can have their exams right there. Sometimes people used to ask me, so Jowai is only 1 hour away from Shillong. Do we really need to have an office there? So I tell people, Jaintia Hills is not just Jowai. Jaintia Hills is also Ratachera. So for a person to reach from Ratachera to Jowai itself is 4 hours. Then from Jowai to Shillong is 1 hour. It's a very, very long distance, and that's still the main highway. There are many interior locations where the youth will take hours and hours to reach Shillong. And therefore it is our endeavor, whether it is Mpsc or whether it is any government service, we want to ensure that we are able to make the services accessible to the citizens and to the youth and the people of our state.